can see that right behind me, we got a little project going on. We're getting clean. The yard. Right across from the beach. Our granddaughters are with us today, so Rochelle has taken the girls across to the beach. Great day. It's in the low 70s, but it is windy, so we'll see how this sound quality works out. But I'll tell you what, this crew with Royal RV Wash brings 2 vans. It's noisy because you hear the generator going, but they bring their own water, so you don't have to worry about the quality of the water at the RV resort. And they've got, I'll have to count how many guys they have, but they got 2 guys on the roof quickly. They're washing top to bottom and doing a great job already. I'm curious to see how long this takes. All right, so the wash part took probably 20 to 25 minutes. I forgot to see what time they got here, but they haven't been here that long. And well, they definitely have a system down, and now they are to the drying part. So it's not quite as loud this right now because the generators have shut off, and now the crew is getting busy drying. We'll walk around that side. And surprisingly, not just a ton of water everywhere on the ground. I was thinking it was going to be pretty wet, and really and truly it's not.